What's up, good people? I'm doing this voiceover in the morning, so good morning, guys. I hope you had a great night. Today we are trying a new Matoke recipe. I had already cut the ends of my bananas and now I'm just washing them with salt and water. I did 3 cuts on each banana. This will help with easy peeling after boiling. So for this recipe we are going to boil the bananas for 10 to 20 minutes before peeling them off.
Nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home from.
Once I was done with washing, I arranged the bananas on the sophoria in that manner to make sure they fit well and they all cook evenly.
Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. But you still give me head if I had patience. I work when I want.
I added a little salt for taste and then water.
When you tie me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it. Your nigga call us texting.
Put them on the gas, cover and let them boil for 10 to 20 minutes.
Around, if you ain't close to me, I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me.
After 10 to 20 minutes, they are already cooked and I'll put them aside to let them cool before peeling off. As I let them cool, I'll go ahead and fry my ingredients.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name, you called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that.
Since tomatoes take some time to cook, I'll cover them and let them cook as I peel off the bananas.
Unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, what it does is put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, what it does is put it in the song. Alright.
I decided to slice the bananas into half for them to fit on the sufuria well.
Next one, I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed.
My tomatoes are ready, and now I'm going to add some chili beef and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'll add water and let it boil with the ingredients for 5 minutes.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Once it's boiled and ready, I go ahead and add my bananas.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
Then I'll stir to make sure they're all soaked in.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time.
I then cover them and let them boil to soak in well with the ingredients.
Over more, my killers don't tell. Shut over more, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches
Once they're ready, I add my coriander.
leading lady. I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well.
I then turn off the gas and let my coriander steam with the heat from the bananas. In 2 to 5 seconds, our matoke is ready to serve.
Like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror.
After serving, I go ahead and add some raw coriander.
Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me. You're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
And yes, I was taking some popcorn as I was cooking the matoke. Look at that presentation. I'm in love. Time to test. But before that, I thought this food would slap with some coffee. Everything is ready and now it's time to dig in. Trust me, it'll slap. Try this recipe and tell me in the comments if you loved it. Thank you for watching to this far. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video. We meet again in the next one. Bye.